Hey guys, it's gonna be a hotel room tour at the Hampton Inn in Park City, Utah. And yes, we're staying for a whole week. So yeah, it's pretty nice room. Looks like a lot. So yeah, so let's begin the tour. So we have a latch lock, a deadbolt, 2 peek holes, and yeah. So as you pan to the left, you will see a kitchen here. So it's a mini kitchen here. So yeah. There is the refrigerator and freezer. Can't get it open. I'm not too strong enough to open the fridge or freezer, so I'm ready to apologize. I'm not that strong enough to open the refrigerator and freezer. And here's all our cabinets. There's more cabinets up here, and there's a stove right here, and there's a microwave. There's a sink, more cabinet space with a trash can. There's a dishwasher, more cabinets for the plates and bowls. There's a coffee maker, really nice. So I think that concludes the side for this kitchen. So yeah. Gotta get this website to turn around, and also my battery's about to die for my phone because I've been taking a lot of videos today and also my vlogs. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. Back my words up. It's my end. So anyway, here is the desk right here. Very nice. You can do your work, makeup, and so on. So yeah, that's so cool. Here's my bag, here's our bag, our junk bag. And if we look right here, we can see the living room. There is a sofa with a sofa sleeper. We have a coffee table, there's a chair, there's a lamp right here with a telephone. Really nice lamp right here. And here's my aunt's lamp, or my aunt's suitcase. And there is a table stand right here. We have, what brand is it? I think it's too dark to see. I don't know what brand it is. If you guys know the brand, just let me know in the comments down below. But here is the flat screen TV with the direct TV. So good thing we have direct TV in a hotel room. We have the air conditioner.
Where's the?
And here's the view of the mountains right here.
Is it okay to keep it down 68? You don't want like super hot.
There's all the magazines here.
Oh my god.
Pretty nice art.
I hope it's your walks beside.
So anyway, let's take a look at the bathroom before we take a look at the bedroom.
If a deer walks behind my window, that would be better than a Zac Efron sighting. Oh my god.
There's a beer.
Tina, there's snow right outside your window. Oh no.
Gotta get into the bathroom. I gotta need some help. I'm trying to get into the bathroom here, so hold on, guys. Alright, so here's the bathroom. Here's the sink right here. There's a sink. We have a Neutrogena, slippers, body lotion and conditioner. There's the soap. There's towels, and there's the ice bucket with cups. Pretty nice. And over there, there's a shower, which I'm not gonna do that because it might get me wet. So I won't demonstrate the shower. So here is the towels on the towel shelves right here. We have a toilet right here. I don't know what brand it is, but that's the toilet right here. So this is the ADA suite. So of course I'm in a wheelchair, so we're in the ADA room. So I gotta figure out how to get out of this bathroom. So yeah, I really do apologize. So it's gonna push me through. So, trying to get me out of here.
Trina, what's wrong? What's wrong? You did it. Go.
I almost had it.
Go. Keep going.
Won't push me through.
You were like crock-eyed.
Okay, so I'm really sorry about that, guys.
There.
All right, so let's take a look at the my bedroom. Sorry, let's take a look at the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. We have a king bed. Really awesome. It's really cool. It's very firm. We have a long clock with the outlets. That is awesome. We have another telephone. So pretty nice nightstand. We have a light and another light on each bed. That is awesome.
There's no limit to the adventures you can take.
There's an right here. Nice artwork.
Reading Opportunities is a proud sponsor of Disney Junior.
Here is the dresser.
Andy's going to college.
Look, every toy goes through this.
And we have a Panasonic flat screen TV with a direct TV.
New toys.
I know I did a copyright on it. There we air conditioner and a few remotes. So yeah. But anyway, thank you for seeing my winter the Hampton Inn Suites in Park City, Utah. So let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite part of this hotel room tour? Just let me know in the comments down below. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So yeah, we will do more tours very soon. But for now, I'm doing this here. So yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.